pizza before you even check into your hotel because priorities. It's freaking lit. I literally just made it there before they closed. I was rushing to leave the airport on time just so that I could freaking make it to vegan pizza. I haven't eaten all day. I actually just realized that everything I'm wearing is organic, so I figured I would share with you guys. So this hoodie, it's actually super long. I have it kind of like tucked in. It's super comfy. It has a hood, and it has like thumb holes in the arms, which I really like. This is by Groceries Apparel, which actually I'm going to visit their factory, their offices slash factory tomorrow, and I'm going to take you guys along with me, so that'll be fun. My leggings are just plain black leggings by Packed Apparel. I have a video on them. I'll link it below if you guys are interested in hearing more about them. What else? Oh, my jacket that I was wearing before, that's also organic cotton, and it's by Indigenous Designs, and even my underwear is organic. Good morning. So as I mentioned last night, I am on my way to the Groceries Apparel offices. They're gonna give me a little tour of their factory and everything. So I thought that would be really cool to show you guys because they're making all ethically produced, I said that's so weird, ethically produced in LA, organic fibers, non-toxic dyes. I mean, they're just like one of my favorite ethical fashion brands, and I'm so excited that I get to go visit their offices right now. All right, so let's go.
The shorter ones are the overlocks, which do this stitch, you know, the main construction.
The LA traffic is real. The best nachos I've ever had. Ever. Seriously. Cafe Gratitude is non-vegan approved. Seriously, so good. I'm grateful for this cheesecake. Day number 1 outfit. So my dress is from Threads for Thought. This sweater thing I got from Urban Outfitters a while ago, and I still wear it all the freaking time. So just because you may have some fast fashion things in your closet doesn't mean you have to, like, if you're trying to switch over to an ethical wardrobe, it doesn't mean you have to totally trash those things. Like, if you're getting use out of it, it's better being used in your closet, you know, than just throwing it out just because it's fast fashion and ending up in a landfill. So if you have pieces, as long as you're getting good use out of them, that's all that matters. This choker that I'm wearing is actually just the hem from a bottom of jeans, and it's by Vintage Twin. Sorry that the lighting is so freaking terrible.
No, I'm just looking at the size of the chili. That's intimidating. Wow. Incredible Hulk penis looking thing.
Hey guys, so it's day 2 of my trip here in Cali, and I'm headed to Natural Products Expo West right now, which, if you guys aren't familiar, is a huge natural products expo. So the way that I explain it to people is like a lot of brands and products that you can find in Whole Foods are there. So the companies go there and they set up their booths, so they show off their new products, and a lot of retail buyers will go. So there's all types of different people there, but it's just they're all green and natural and organic and sustainable in one way or another. There's food, there is household products like you know, kitchen stuff and like reusable bottles, stuff like that. There's a large beauty section. There is some fashion mixed in here and there, like pet products, a whole bunch of different things. So I'll definitely be filming here and there to show you guys some interesting products that I come across. So I'm gonna head out now and I'm gonna take you guys along with me. What? Let me see the back.
Okay.
Yeah. Headed out to a vegan party right now. It's being put on by Vegan Smart, and this is my outfit. And I'll take you guys along with me. I'm using my phone because I just don't feel like bringing my bulky camera along with me. So there's gonna be a few other like vegan, actually a lot of other vegan bloggers there. So I will definitely try and like video as much as possible because they understand there. Like I feel weird vlogging in public, you know what I mean? Because people are like, what the F is this girl doing? But in the blogger world, like everyone gets it. So yeah, so let's go hang out. When you're running on 3 hours of sleep and daylight saving time screws you, pour some smoothies to the rescue.